today's episode, we're here at Splash Island! Good morning! Ito yung service namin papunta sa Splash Island. O diba, Cabogera. Pwede nyo i-check yung Facebook nila for the rates and availability ng jeep. Perfect ka dyan, mga Barbelat. Bye! Magsa-summer outing muna ang Longbar Riders Bar. Oo nga, pero parang sa kulungan pala kami. Oh, saktong-sakto, isang jeep.
May partner sa harap.
Oo, may konduktor sa harap. Patingin nga ng konduktor. Konduktor, yes. Barbie number 1. Wow! Barbie number 2. Barbie number 3. Barbie number 4. And Barbie number 5. And the queen of all the Barbies. And now, welcome to Splash Island. Bawal ang pagkain at inumin. So kainin nyo na at inumin nyo na sa labas pa lang kasi may higpit sila dito. Looking for fun and exciting activities for team building near Metro Manila? Have fun in the sun only at Splash Island with giant pool plus enjoy their latest attractions. Scheduled trip now located at Southwood exit only 10 minutes from Alabang. You may also enjoy their different giant slides they offer. This is a perfect bonding with your family and friends and even workmates. So what are you waiting for? Visit Splash Island and have fun under the sun. Thank you, vlog! So ayun na nga, start na ang aming game. Kaya tingnan natin kung sino ang mananalo. Dapat Team 1! Yes! Para sa 3,500! For our second game, we have the Hep Hep Hooray Sleeper. So paunahan, ang mananalo dito, mananalo ng 5,000 pesos!
Hep hep. Hep hep. Hooray. Hep hep. Sleepers. Hep hep. Hooray. Hep hep. Hooray. Hooray. Oh, talo tayo. Out. Hooray. Hooray. Hep hep. Hep hep. Hooray. Hep hep. Hooray. Sleepers. Hooray! Hep hep! Hep hep! Sleeper!
Oh no! Round 3, labanan ng mga leaders. Wow! Wow! Panis! Kaya natin kasi yung pinaka-perfect leader.
Hooray! Hooray! Hep hep! Oh, sleepers! Hindi na nanalo.
Our next game is Long Riders Bar. Tingnan natin kung sino ang mananalo sa final game. Pinaliit.
Ano? Sino si Twilight?
Yes, grand prize. Deserve. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Ayan, mga gutom na ang mga beshi nyo. So, ang lunch namin ay bilao. Recommended for groups. Yan, for 1,200, ayan na siya. May malaking bilao. And then for 800, meron ding maliit na bilao. Happy lunch! Okay, happy lunch! Ganito kahaba ang pila. Guys. Aabot kaya kami sa cut-off?